How's it going, guys? Happy Friday, April 24th. Today I have right here the Samsung Galaxy S6, and I have right here two of the Spigen metal cases available for this phone. So we're gonna do a comparison and put this on the phone and see how they look like. Let's take a closer look here at both cases and do a comparison. The main difference right here is that this one is all plastic, but it kind of looks metal. This one right here is actually metal. The bumper part is metal, and of course, you know, this part right here it's plastic. So also on the camera cutout, as you guys can see, this is all one cutout for both the camera, the flash, and the heart rate monitor. This one right here offers two separate cutouts. I actually like this better. One for the camera, one for the flash and the heart rate monitor. Taking a look at both cases from the side, this one seems to be a little bit thicker for me, and we also see the engraving right there on the power button, which that actually looks better. We also see right there the neon hybrid on both neon hybrid. On the other side we see the volume rocker. On the metal case we have the plus and the minus, which I actually like better, and we also see a more pronounced shape right there. And then looking at the bottom, we see all the ports. On the back, as you guys can see, the design is also different. We see the Spigen name right there. This one is matte finish color versus this one right here has some pattern on the back. That's how the case looks like inside. So let's go ahead and put this on the phone and see how they look like. First here with the blue case, and you can go ahead and separate this if you want, or you can go ahead and try to put it together like this without separating the case. I'm not gonna separate it right now, so I will suggest start from the volume rocker area. Make pressure right there on both corners, and then on this other side, and then on top. Kind of try to do it quick. So as you guys can see, the case is on right now. Let's go ahead and take a look at this case first, on the sides and all that. So as you guys can see, you know, it keeps the thin profile that we see on the Samsung Galaxy S6. Very thin case. Right here on top we see the IR blaster microphone. Perfect access right there to the IR blaster and microphone. Right here on this other side we see the volume rocker, and there's a little bit of a shape right here. Taking a look at the bottom, we see right there the access to the speaker grill, a microphone, USB port, and audio jack. This phone only has one microphone on the bottom and one on the top. For some reason they made this case with two holes on the bottom. I'm not sure why. We also see right here the name Neon Hybrid. Looks really nice. And taking a look at the screen, as you guys can see, it offers a really nice lip that goes all the way around the screen. So the screen is going to be protected if you drop the phone facing down. Now taking a look at the camera, take a look at the cutout for the camera. In my opinion, these cutouts are better look, I will say, than the other case that we're gonna see later that has one cutout. And looking at the protection, as you guys can see, the camera kind of sits inside of the case, so it should be protected. Now let's take a look at the responsiveness of the power button and volume rocker when pressing these the buttons. So there is the power. It feels very solid, very nice, very responsive. And let's go ahead and unlock the screen and test here the volume rocker. It also feels very solid, very responsive, no issue at all. As far as the price on this case, guys, they offer this case in different colors. The price is $18. And this is pretty much available everywhere: Amazon, eBay, from Spigen website. You can probably find it at a local store. I actually found it at a local store. And they offer this in different colors. There is this blue metallic, there is a silver, There's a kind of like a dark blue, it's not quite black, and I believe there's also a red color. So let's go ahead and take a look at the other case. Before we take a look at the other case, and I remove this one, just as a quick comparison, here's the other case. If we put there like that, I don't know guys, what do you think? But to me the blue one seems to be thinner. You know, it's kind of like a trade. I feel like, you know, the blue one it's thinner, but the finish on the other one it's nicer, with the metal finish and all that. So let me go ahead and remove the blue one and let's put the other one on. To remove the case, just basically push right here one corner and then the other one, and it's easy to remove. Let's go ahead and try now the other case. You know, we're gonna be doing the same thing. I'm not gonna put this apart, however you can do it if you want, but this part right here, in comparison to the blue one, this is not just metallized finish, this is actual metal. So let's go ahead and put this on the phone. I'm gonna do the same thing right here. Start from the volume rocker area. With this case you have to do a little more pressure. And just for the record guys, I actually ended up removing both pieces. It's gonna be easier that way. So let's take a look and see what we have here. Let's first take a look around, and we're gonna test also the bottoms. So right here we see the Neo Hybrid name. It looks very nice. The engraving Neo Hybrid dual cat aluminum. We see also the engraving for the power bottom. We see that more pronounced shape right there on this case versus the blue one. Right here on top we see the Air Blaster microphone. Coming to the other side we see right there the plus and minus for the volume, which I like better on this phone, the finish and the look. Right here on the bottom we see the USB port, again audio jack and one microphone. This case also offers 2 holes on the bottom when the phone only has 1 microphone. There's a speaker grill. Now taking a look at the screen, as you guys can see, this case also offers a nice lip around the screen, so the screen is going to be protected. And let's take a look at the back now, and there is the cutout for the camera. Like I said, you know, this is just my opinion, my preference. I don't think I like the shape of this cutout right here, which is just a whole one cutout for both the camera and the flash. I like better the other one. As you guys can see, there is some look right here, and you know, these 2 holes right there, and also at the bottom, it kind of gives you the industrial design on this case. So I kind of like that. As far as the back right here, we see the Spigen name. This is a matte finish in comparison to the other case. As you guys can see, there is some pattern right there. So this is a matte finish. And let's go ahead and take a look now at the bottoms and the responsiveness. So here's the power bottom. They feel very, very solid, very responsive. Here's the volume rocker, also very responsive. So as far as the price on this case, this one is a little more expensive, I'm assuming because it's all metal. This case is actually $29. $29. They offer this case in different colors. Believe there is also gold, blue, red, and this silver color. So there you have it, guys. These are again 2 of the Spigen Neo Hybrid cases available for the Samsung Galaxy S6. Guys, thank you for watching the video. Subscribe for more. Please share the video to help others, and I'll see you on the next one.